Okay, we want to pick up a line of stitches along a straight line of knitted fabric. And so to make sure that we stay in a straight line, what I'm going to do is look at these 2 stitches just under the needle tip. Okay, so you insert the needle from the outside of the right leg of the stitch and up through the center of the stitch. Pick up and knit, and then I'm going to look at these 2 stitches and make sure that they're still intact in relation to each other, which tells me that this is the next stitch to pick up. I'm just going to keep doing a few more, because it's surprisingly easy to pick up either this stitch and end up a line below, or this stitch and end up in the line above. See, these 2 stitches are still lined up, and if you take a closer look, you'll see that this stitch right here is the one that has been picked up. So we want to keep going on that same line. Like so.